This is David from TSTP, and today I'm going to be showing you version 1.2 of the Pico Revival Tool. So as you can see, it downloaded all the needed files as far as the firmware onto the system as soon as the program started. It'll keep those files for future use. And I've already been using it, so it already has my Autoflash option on there. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. And I have a Pico 2 that I'm going to plug in after holding down the boot selection option. You can see it detects the Pico 2 on there. So you can go ahead and click Reset Pico 2. That will have it go away and flash it back to normal, so you can use it if you ever prick your device. Tell you that it's done, and then you can click on flash MicroPython or flash CircuitPython. I'm going to go ahead and do CircuitPython. So now it's flashing the firmware. You can see it popping up and going away in my list of drives. Comes back up. We have CircuitPython. Program will detect it as CircuitPython. It copies over some of the HID library files needed to do keyboard control, and it is finished. Now, a fun thing about this is that there is a root folder that you can go into. I have some files in mine already, but you can go into the root folder, add your files into there, and then check this button so that it's green, and you'll be able to copy whatever files you have in that root folder directly to the drive once it's completed. And you can use the auto flash option so that you don't have to really interact with it at all. You can just leave it as a Pi imaging station or Pi firmware updating station. So just to show how that would work, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my Pi 2 and hold boot select, plug it back in again. And if you look in the console, you'll see it's already starting. It's flashing the firmware now. You can see the device going on and off by itself. Comes back up as CircuitPy, and once it comes back up, all of my files are loaded on there, plus the root folder. So now it will launch one of my scripts that I have on there, which is this. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that. And just to show the versatility of it, I'm going to go ahead and start my just plain Pico device. As you can see in the console as well, it detects the proper device type. It has the firmware needed for each device type, and we'll flash it over to it. Restarts the device. I probably need to uncheck that because I don't want all of my files to go there and make it boot up again. Yeah. But that also has that same script on it, so that will end up running again. And close that out. And that is a demonstration of the functionality of it. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that so it doesn't start flashing them some more. There is a link section that has a link that will take you to all of the Pico devices for MicroPython or for CircuitPython in case you want to download it yourself, plus the Raspberry Pi page. There are themes, so you can use different colors, backgrounds, things of that nature. And it saves, so you can open it back up and have all of it back in there. Go back to deep or dark mode. So you can go to the program folder, which we already have open, that has all of the firmware files in it, plus the root folder, or you can go to root folder to see root folder, log viewer. I cleared my log file, so that's not there now. We have tutorial. We'll walk you through how to get everything started, plus some guides down here on the official website. An about section tells you a little bit about the program, donation section, and that is the TSTP Pico Revival Tool. You can download it at TSTP.xyz. You can check out the source code at github.com/TSTP-enterprises. And you can check out more at our YouTube at yourpststudios/TSTP. Thanks for watching.